guys, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of y'all actually commented on my recent video asking me to try the Dove Hair Therapy Breakage Repair range, and I thought why not just give it a try. So let's see what do we have here. So this is the all-new Dove Hair Therapy Breakage Repair range, shampoo and conditioner, and it consists of the Nutri-Lock serum to make the hair stronger, thicker and longer. The shampoo is free from sulfates, parabens and dyes, and none of their products are tested on animals, making it cruelty-free and also PETA certified. I think my search for a good sulfate-free shampoo which is also safe is finally over. Let's go try the shampoo out then. Wow, my hair already feels so smooth and knot-free. And now it's time for the conditioner, which will make sure to avoid breakage caused by any sort of heat, making sure that your hair is smoother so you can achieve any hairstyle you want. And the best part is that it is totally suitable for colored hair. Guys, I really can't believe this. My hair actually feels so much smoother. I'm definitely going to be adding this way more often in my hair care routine. My hair actually feels 10 times smoother and stronger. It was a very good decision to try the Dove Hair Therapy Breakage Repair range. Dove is definitely going to be a part of my hair care routine. I want to thank all you guys who commented about this product. I will start reading more such comments and start taking in your suggestions because you guys definitely got my attention on the all-new Dove Hair Therapy Breakage Repair range.